Hello, in this video we want to solve this question. Find the range and domain of y equals to under root x square plus 4. This question is from the topics function. Now, first we do the domain. The value of x for which the function y is defined. Now, y is defined for x square plus 4 greater than equals to 0. If x square plus 4 is less than 0, that means y equals to under root something negative number, and square root of a negative number is imaginary number. Therefore, y does not belongs to any real number. Therefore, this y equals to under root x square plus 4 is not defined for a real number. Now, x square plus 4 should be greater than equals to 0. Why? To be defined in terms of a real number. Now, x square is always a positive number. Why? Because it is a squared number. Therefore, x square is always greater than equals to 0 and 4 is greater than 0. Therefore, x square plus 4 greater than equals to 0. Therefore, x can take any value in the real number. Hence, x can take any value in R. R stands for real number. X is a real number, or we can write x is an real number. That is, x belongs to R. Therefore, the domain is real number. That means the domain is minus infinity to plus infinity. Minus infinity to plus infinity. This is the domain. Now we do range. Y equals to under root x square plus 4. The smallest value of x square is 0. X square is what? Greater than equals to 0. Therefore, the smallest value of x square is 0. Now, when x square equals to 0, then x square plus 4 equals to x square plus 4 equals to 4. Therefore, y equals to under root 4 when x equals to 0. And this becomes y equals to under root 4 is equals to 2. Therefore, for x mod x greater than 0, y is greater than 2 when the value of x equals to say 1, then it becomes 1 squared plus 4, that is, it becomes under root 5, which is greater than 2. That means y is greater than 2. Therefore, as value of x rises from 0, then the value of y tends to infinity. As mod x increases to infinity, y also tends to infinity. Therefore, the range is from 2 to infinity. Here we have a closed bracket, here we have a open bracket. That is, it belongs to 2 is included, infinity cannot be included, infinity is a number. this is the domain of the function and the range of the function is 2 to infinity, where the value 2 is included. That's it for this video. I hope everybody understood the solution of this video. Thank you.